Imagine this. You walk into a room, you don't know anyone. You sit down, surrounded by strangers. And then, in less than 60 seconds, every single person around you feels drawn to you. They can't explain it. They don't even notice it happening. But suddenly, they like you. They trust you. They feel connected to you, as if you've known each other for years. What if I told you, this isn't magic? It isn't luck. It's psychology. And it's one of the most powerful hidden tools you'll ever discover. It's called the mirror effect. And once you learn how to use it, you'll be able to create instant bonds, instant trust, and instant influence without saying a single extra word. Stay with me, because the deeper you go into this, the more you'll realize just how powerful this really is. The human brain is wired for survival. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors needed to know, is this person safe or dangerous? And one of the quickest shortcuts the brain developed was similarity. If someone looked like us, moved like us, acted like us, the brain whispered, they are safe. They are part of my tribe. This shortcut still works today. When you mirror someone's behavior, even in the smallest ways, their brain lights up with recognition. They feel an unspoken bond. They relax. They trust. And here's the most powerful part. They don't know why. They just feel it. Think about the last time you met someone and said, "Wow, I feel like I've known you forever." Chances are they were mirroring you. Maybe their tone matched yours. Maybe their gestures followed yours. Maybe they laughed when you laughed, leaned forward when you leaned forward. It felt natural. It felt smooth. It felt like instant chemistry. That's the mirror effect at work, and you can learn to trigger it. Not with force, not with obvious copying, but with subtle, invisible adjustments that slip under the radar and go straight into the subconscious. So, how do you use it? Step 1. Posture. Notice how they're sitting or standing. Don't mirror immediately. Wait a few seconds. Then ease into a similar position. Step 2. Tone of voice. If they're excited, lift your energy. If they're calm, soften your tone. Your voice becomes a reflection, and they feel harmony. Step 3. Pace. Match the rhythm of their speech. Fast or slow, sharp or relaxed, mirror their tempo. Each step alone is powerful, but together, it's hypnotic. Within less than a minute, something incredible happens. Their brain whispers, "We are the same." And here's the magic. People don't resist those who feel like them. They open up. They lean closer. They share more. They feel safe. Think of it like opening a hidden door. A door to trust. A door to influence. And all you had to do was mirror. Let's make this real. Picture a job interview. The interviewer leans back in their chair. A few seconds later, you lean back too. Their mind registers. Comfort, similarity, safety. And suddenly, your answers sound better. Because they already like you. Now imagine a first date. Your partner takes a sip of water. You take one a few seconds later. They laugh, and you let your laughter join theirs. It feels like chemistry. It feels natural. But it's not chance. It's the mirror effect. Even in business, this works. A client folds their hands. You fold yours. They relax. They trust you. The deal becomes easier. But here's the warning. Do not overdo it. If you copy every move, every gesture, every breath, they will notice. And once they notice, the connection breaks. Mirroring is like seasoning in cooking. A little creates flavor. Too much ruins the dish. So be subtle, invisible. Let it feel natural. One of the secrets of mirroring is timing. Never mirror instantly. Wait 3, 4, maybe 5 seconds. This delay makes it invisible. It feels organic. It feels real. It's not about copying. It's about harmony. Now, let's take this deeper. Mirroring isn't just about posture, tone, and pace. It's about emotion. When someone is nervous, let your energy soften. When someone is confident, match their strength. When someone is sad, let your face reflect empathy. Because the mirror effect isn't just a trick, it's a bridge into emotion. And when you cross it, you don't just connect, you influence. Think of it this way. Every movement, every tone, every pause is a rhythm. And when you sync with someone's rhythm, their subconscious gives you permission to connect, permission to influence, permission to lead. It feels hypnotic because it bypasses logic. It slips under awareness. It feels like magic, but it's psychology. So here's the final secret. The mirror effect doesn't just make people like you, it makes them feel seen. And in a world where so few feel truly seen, that is power. So next time you walk into a room, don't force connection. Don't chase approval. Don't try too hard. Instead, mirror. Subtly, smoothly, invisibly, and watch as doors open, trust builds, and influence become effortless. This is the mirror effect. One of the simplest, yet most hypnotic psychology hacks you'll ever use. Try it today. Watch what happens. And remember, the more subtle you are, the more powerful it becomes. Want more hidden psychology tricks like this? Subscribe now to Micropowers, where small actions create massive influence.